So today's project is my DeWalt drilling machine. I picked it up and suddenly it didn't work anymore. It didn't drop or anything. It just didn't work anymore. The battery is not the problem. See, that's 12.8 volts. And with my other DeWalt, this battery works fine. Well, I'll put it in. It just won't start up. So I bought this drilling machine in 2007. It's the DC727. So let's take it apart. Now let's get this off. Okay. There is a bit of green color on this, so that might be an issue. Alright, let's test it. If it has a direct connection like this. Let's see if it still works at all. Aha! It works. So we now know this is the part that is causing the problem, and it might just be this corrosion. I wonder. So if I put this like that, what do we measure now? Hope you can see. So it should not read anything now. That's correct. So it gives 12, and if I 0, when I push it, it gives 12. So what's happening here? Could it just be that this is the only problem? What happens if we do it like this? So 0, yes. Now let's see what happens now. Oops. Something smoked. Alright, so I probably burnt the switch now. Let's take that apart. Oh, this might be a cooling paste. This block is hot now, so that might be a cooling block. Alright, there it comes. there. So these two parts came out. It's a small spring and some kind of bracket or contact point. Oh, I guess it's... oh yeah, it's this switch. There's another one in there. Oh yeah. You can put it, the spring in there, and the bracket probably goes like this. Yeah. Like that. So the spring has to go underneath, and that makes contact to those pieces. Alright. So here you can see the springy part. That's the switch from left to right. There's a spring inside. Very small. It was over there. Don't exactly know how it was fitted, but well. So this is the inside of a switch from a DeWalt drill. And now I will have to order a new one. I'll be right back. So look what the mailman brought. A replacement trigger. It's a used one, but I knew that let's try and not fry this one as well. So I put the replacement trigger on here. When you put it back in, make sure you use this middle notch. It has to go on the switch for left and right. So like that. So test it. If it functions, it does. Battery. Right. So another gear. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.